Hello guys, I'm back with another one. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you guys my easy no bake strawberry cream cheese dessert. So if you guys have it, like and subscribe and comment below. Okay, so guys, for our no bake strawberry cream cheese, we're gonna start with our crust, which is some graham crackers. Put it in the food processor. Our melted butter, I left it out for 10 minutes. Okay, we're gonna put our butter and mix it in. This is what it should look like. Okay, we're gonna put it aside and work with now we're working with our filling. We're gonna add our cream cheese. Okay, we're gonna add our sugar. 3 spoons. We're gonna add our vanilla pure extract. We're adding our lemon extract. Okay, we can use a hand blender for this. This is what it should look like. Okay, so first we're gonna put in our crust. Now add our filling. Okay, we're gonna add our strawberry topping. Now you can add whatever topping you prefer. Me personally, I just like strawberry. So this is what it should look like. Add our strawberry. Okay. Now, for this dessert, my kids, they love whipped cream. So we're gonna add some whipped cream. Okay. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Try it right. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. It looks so good. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.